Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to reset your Telegram password in 2025. With the ever-evolving digital landscape, keeping your accounts secure is a must, and forgetting your password happens to the best of us. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're already logged into Telegram, head to the Settings menu. Open the Telegram app on your phone or use the web version on your computer. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and look for Two-Step Verification or Change Password. If you've set up two-step verification, you'll need your current password or recovery code to proceed. But what if you're locked out and can't log in? That's easy too. Go to the Telegram login screen, enter your phone number, and tap Forgot Password. Telegram will send a verification code to the phone number associated with your account. Make sure it's the correct one. Once you receive the code, enter it promptly to verify your identity. Now, here's where you reset it. After verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. Confirm your new password, and you're all set. Remember, Telegram might ask you to log in again with your updated credentials. One quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It adds an extra layer of protection against hackers. There you have it. Your Telegram password is now reset and secure. If you run into any issues, double-check your phone number or contact Telegram support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.